What is bean cake? Fried bean balls. What exactly is that? The more I do the research about history, the angrier I get. I feel like I didn't go to school. I feel so angry about our history that's been hidden from us. There's so many things I want to share. I don't even know where to begin. Even someone like me that's running a school, I'm thinking, what exactly is going on? What do the children need to know? My people perish for lack of knowledge. What is bean cake? Some of these things are ever so simple, but we don't even know that they've been hidden from us. There's so many things that have been hidden from us. And our colonial mentality does not even help. The language we speak, the way we change our names so that we can suit the foreigners. They will never change their names for us. They will never change their food for us. I went and did some research. Suleiman Ali said, anywhere you go, pizza is pizza. Anywhere in the world you go, you say, pizza is pizza. I started to think, okay, let me go and ask AI. Let me go and ask what's going on. Everywhere you go around the world, samosa is samosa. That's South Asian. Sushi is sushi, Japanese. Pho, or whatever it is, Vietnamese. Taco, Mexican. Biryani, Indian. Kimchi, Korean. Hummus, naan bread. We eat it and we call it by the names. But if it's Nigerian own, we will change our own. We will change our names. We will bring all sorts. Listen to more of this rubbish. Moi moi, bean pudding, isiewu, goat head delicacy, ikokore, water yam porridge, nkwobi, cow food and spicy sauce, pounded yam mash, egusi soup, melon seed soup, ewedu soup, jute leaf soup, ofada rice, unpolished local rice. You're unpolished and you're local. For not accepting culture, and to those people that have not taught us what we ought to know as Africans. Shame. Today, as I sat in my car right here, I was thinking about the same thing. An opportunity came and they told me that I needed to work with an international organization. I said, no. I won't take it. Not because I have a big no. But I was angry. It didn't align with my values because I had been at a table with some of these guys and there's only so much I can see. And the way they were talking down at Nigerians, the things that we accept. Some of you will know when I had a case with a school and I put it online here, an international school, a foreign school, and I put it online because they were speaking at parents anyhow. I'm frustrated, guys. What we've accepted, right down to language. And there was a video I was watching that my friend Ziba shared with me about Swedish. In Sweden, they speak Swedish. In French, in France, in Paris, they speak. I'm not even coherent because I'm angry. They speak their own language. Japan speak Japanese. Chinese, they speak their Mandarin. All countries speak their own except our own. So I said, okay, fair enough. We don't speak our own. We speak English. But if we were to pick a Nigerian language, which one will we pick? Even in my comment section, someone was arguing that this video that I did. I've seen so many people fight over in the comment section. I've just turned a blind eye to it because it's just not who I am. And then I saw this comment where this person said, the lady that spoke down at teachers, that she must be from a certain part of Nigeria because Igbo people don't do that. Hausa people don't do that. It's just one set of people that do that. And I don't care what the set of people are. And I told her that this tribalism that we are continuing, it's not going to get us anywhere. Let's focus on the core. Let's comprehend and focus on the core. As opposed to tribalism all the time. We have big issues. Here I am hearing from Dr. Chaltapoki that the largest human-made structure in the world is in Benin. Larger than the wall of China is in Benin. Can you imagine? If you go and visit the wall of China, at the time I've Googled it now, it's $24 to get a family of 4 inside. That's $6 each. If we're getting that kind of revenue in Nigeria, just for one place, and so many other things that we don't know about, it's and I get it. I'm not talking about from a strong point. Yes, I hold a British passport as well, but I'm interested in Nigeria. I'm interested in Nigeria. How can we build? Corruption. Okay, we know it's an issue, but is this how we're going to continue forever? I'm not going to join you guys and say, oh, is this, is that, is that, is that. I can't even say it from my mouth. I came to Nigeria to build. And it's discouraging. It's really discouraging. But the more, because now I feel like maybe I should go and study something in history or whatever, African history, Nigerian history, or I don't know. I've been on YouTube just trying to get information about who we are. We don't know who we are. And that's why we continue with our insecurities and colonial mentality. So many things, so many of our practices are not African. This lady was telling me that she went to a school in Nigeria, and one of the first things that they taught them was how to use cutlery, fork and knife, how to use fork and knife, which is fine. But is our local food eaten with fork and knife? Is that a way? In fact, I see all these etiquette coaches. They will say they are teaching us how to use fork and knife. And they will even discredit using your hands at a restaurant. Why can't I wash my hand and eat my ebaigusi, akpu, afang, black soup with my fingers? Why can't I do that? I'm African. What is wrong with it? Our problems are deep and I'm upset. This video came from a place of anger. Let me go.